Hello from Fort Morgan. Today I'm going to show you how I built a 45 by 16 foot RV gravel pad with 10 tons of crushed concrete and some other materials along the way. I started by laying down some heavy strength geofabric, and then I called my local gravel company for delivery. Here I'm putting down 2 rolls of 4 by 100 foot matrix grid landscape weed control fabric fastened with 75 staples. This will cover the 50 by 16 foot area that I'm working with here, and it ran me about $100 in materials. Then I placed an order for 10 tons of crushed concrete to be delivered. This is recycled construction stone and is an excellent base layer. This ran about $400 with delivery. The geofabric stops the crushed concrete from moving around, and it keeps grass and weeds from growing here. The fabric is also great at draining away rain and runoff coming from any of the campers that will be parked here. The staples weren't going all the way into the dry rocky ground that we have here in the Rocky Mountain State, so putting down these wood planks helped keep the fabric in place. And once the truck gets here, we can do this stuff. I'm going for 10 tons at this point because crushed concrete is a really good base layer. It compacts very well and should stay in place until I get a nicer top layer down. This will cover the area in around 2 inches of stone and compact down to about 1 inch. This will make for a very good foundation for parking RVs on the lot. It keeps them leveled and it keeps their tires from going to rot. There are a lot of ways to get this spread out even and leveled. I'm just going to eyeball it for the most part, just looking to make a nice slope away from the house. But after that, I'm just going to keep this simple. Tools used during this process, a shovel and a rake. After the shoveling was done, to get the most out of the spread, I went back over it with the rake several times to level it down just a little bit more. But I still need to take this from 2 inches of stone and compact it down to about 1 inch. For that, I'm going to need a really impactful object. I'm going to have to gas up the Kia Rio. Driving my car back and forth several times over the crushed stone compacts it down about 1 inch and rolls out the base material even more, making it just a bit more level. And now we're open for business. RVs can now stay in a nice lot. The total cost to gravel the RV pad was $490. With this being the last thing I needed to get done to complete the RV pad project, the total cost of the entire project to date is around $2,200. The pad comes with available street parking for additional vehicles and a secure laundry room with a high-efficiency washer and dryer ready for use. Utilities included in the month-to-month lease are a 20, 30, 50 amp RV electrical receptacle, a 4-inch RV dump station sewer line hook-in, a frost-free outdoor water spigot, trash dumpsters for waste management, and a high-speed Wi-Fi internet connection at no extra charge. With the use of the TurboTenant web portal, enjoy a fast and easy online application and leasing process, online payment options to pay your rent safely and securely, Even choose to have TurboTenant report those on-time rent payments to build your credit history. Let me know if you'd like to stop by, check out the listing page to see if the site is still available, fill out this pre-screen to start the application, or to schedule a tour.